This is Sunday morning and it's starting late. It's 9:30, just started. So you picture on my time. I guess I could take some leaves off, not this. This is from another plant. I'll probably take some of these. I don't know. It looks really good right now. I don't want to mess with it. Maybe this under branch though. Something from under here. Oh, that's a tomato back there. I think that's the most I've ever filled a tent with 2 plants before. That leaf is stuck. All right. It does look like we've got some action happening. I mean, it's 2 weeks into flower, so this is what we should be seeing. Maybe a little bit more of a puff should be visible, but this is good enough. Since the lights weren't exactly set to 12:12, they were still on a little bit longer than they were off. I've been gone for a couple of days, so I want to make sure everything's moved around the way it should be. Just to give perspective, it's only been a couple of minutes. It's not even 10 yet. It's coming down pretty fast. It's definitely worrisome. This is going to be intense. I have to get a weatherproof camera. The road hasn't been plowed yet. I'm gonna check on the truck. Already in about 3 or 4 hours. That's probably not the best representation. It always looks like it's not as much out that window. I'll check other windows in a sec. Right now I want to do a quick look. 82 degrees and 52% humid, which is perfect for me. Love it. Oh, I love to see, finally, the development of what I think look to be flower. I should turn this off so I can get a picture and then go downstairs. This is actually a scary storm. I haven't really... Oh my God. It's really cold too. That's the other weird thing about this. Oh yeah, getting buried out there. I don't think the temperatures are gonna get better either. Here I left the gate open so that it wouldn't get stuck shut. We've got a big lush garden full of tall plants. The lighting has been working out pretty well. I changed over this one to flowering hours because I've got full grown tomatoes in there and full grown, ready to flower veg plants. So I just switched the light over and have to now make sure that this room stays dark, which is a little difficult, but not impossible. I found that it was not dark in here. And that was during when it didn't matter, when they could have a lot of light, it doesn't matter. So I reeled it all in and figured out how to get it dark in here, covered up all the little lights that shine off all the instruments. Now, before I shovel, I have not gone out there, obviously. It's almost too scary. Gosh, they just look so good. They need me to take more vacations. There's one that's a little wilty, but if they root it at all, I think they'll make it. I think they did. The pot seems really heavy. I don't know. Really have to leave this one alone because it has to dry out. So I did not water at all today. Got to get to that. I think I did put some bin in there, but of course they always need to be filled up again. How's it going in here? All big and green and crazy? Definitely. Wow. Yep. So how tall? Let's go above the light and see how tall this thing is again. Oh, it's hitting the top again. Last time I chopped it, I cut it right here. I'm gonna take some of these extra leaves off. Take this one off. And how's our strange, maybe males, maybe not plants? Oh, yeah. So how many do I have? I have 1, 2, 3. And yes, these look good. So I need to do absolutely nothing but add water. I think they're just responding really well to the nutrients that I've been giving them. And I found my bubbler and I've been giving the upstairs plants the tea. So just recently I found that and I started that regimen. I'm coming back down, so I don't care if the light's on. The light's actually good. It adds to what's going on in there. Just have to get that humidifier filled up for this tent. I'm gonna make it loud again. The hallway outside of the room, outside of the tent. All have to be dark. Oh, my glasses are all fogged up. Oh no, the lens is fogged up, that's what it is. I have to do my first shoveling stint, I think, now. So snow drifts can make you, it could cause as many problems as 8 feet of snow would cause, like if there's the snowfall. So I'm just watching this windiness, and it could be that your land has no snow in it and the next door neighbor has 12 feet. When it gets really bad like that, it causes dunes. Yep, I'm have to get in warm clothes to do this. Very freaking cold. Not looking forward to it. Well, I don't know if it's over. I can't even tell if it's coming down really lightly or at all right now. That's the shoveling. I really fine mist, I think, if at all. Oh no. We're gonna be out there shoveling. That's the shoveling I did right there earlier. Did plow. It wasn't too bad earlier. I just can't see straight. And right